In today's video, let's talk about the way that you fix the YouTube channel verification problem. If you're trying to verify your YouTube channel and trying to receive the advanced feature and you're not being able to do so, let me show you a couple of solutions that you can try out. Now, the first thing that you can try out in this case is try to switch to a different phone number. If the current phone number that you're using is not working, you can try adding in a different number. But however, there are other few extra steps that you can try out. For example, there are two options as you can see, the text message verification or the call verification. You can try switching between them and try to see if you receive the code. Sometimes you also need to wait out more than 24 hours in order to verify your phone number. So the only number that you have is not working out, then you can try using the same number and try to verify your YouTube account or your YouTube channel after 24 hours. So as I said, there are three things that you can do. Either you can switch between text message and call, or you can use a different phone number, or you can just wait out 24 hours to see if this fixes the issue. But however, if the issue is not fixed, then you'll need to likely use a different phone number in order to verify your YouTube channel. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. That's gonna be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.